Hello everyone. Today we have this numerical slinky wave travels at 40 centimeter per second and has a frequency of 20 hertz. Find the minimum separation between consecutive compressions. So let's start the solution of this numerical. First of all, we will look over here the given data. So slinky wave travels at 40 centimeter per second. It means that velocity of the wave is 40 centimeter per second. And similarly, and has a frequency of 20 hertz. So frequency is given. Frequency is 20 hertz. Here, centimeter per second is the unit of velocity, as we know, and hertz is the unit of frequency. Find the minimum separation between consecutive compressions. So we have to find out the separation between consecutive waves. So it means that, and consecutive compressions. So basically, it means that we have to find out the distance, and we can calculate or measure the distance in terms of waves in the form of wavelength, and the wavelength is equal to lambda. So wavelength is represented by lambda. So now we have the required value wavelength, and velocity and frequency are given. So we will use the formula which shows the relation between velocity, frequency, and wavelength. So according to formula, velocity equal to f lambda. F is frequency and lambda is wavelength. So our requirement is lambda. So therefore, lambda equal to v divided by f. Here, this lambda equal to this f will divide on both sides of the equation. So this will become v divided by f. As we know, v equal to 40 centimeter per second, and frequency is 20. So when we divide this, so we obtain 2 centimeter, and when we convert this centimeter into meter, so we will multiply. So we will divide this centimeter by 100. So this will become 0.02 meter. So our answer is, that is the wavelength, the minimum separation between consecutive compressions are 0.02 meter. This was the answer of this question. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.